Today I went auctioning with the family.
Please like and subscribe to the Back Row Bidder.
There's no waiting for two parts today because this is going to be short and sweet. It's a beautiful sunny day in Boscobel, Wisconsin, and we're at an auction as usual. This one was not exactly what I had expected, but I made the best of it. They had chickens, they had some luggage, there were some good pieces here and there, but what they did have that was good was kind of dirty, and you know, like this piece smelled bad, musty, and I didn't want to mess with a lot of it. Some of the things, like I'll show you later, the tools were really, you know, just low quality and busted up ones. But you can see, you know, mixed in here, there's some gems. I thought this piece was cute. I didn't have a chance to get it, but lots of little knickknacks. They did have some real lead crystal, but those pieces weren't pretty high. There were family members here of the estate, and some of them had some sentimental reasons to pick up some stuff. Fish tray. You gotta have a fish tray. They had quite a few 8-tracks, which I'm hot and cold with those. I've sold some, and I've sat on a lot of them. Glassware, there were some neat things mixed in here and there. I like the chicken teapot. This set looked cool from a distance, but I don't think it was anything special. Had to go through the cookbooks, of course. I did not find any that I knew were good sellers. There was a lot of church cookbooks in here and stuff, and ones that I know will sell, but I was being a little picky, I gotta admit. Gotta love the Schlitz mug. This little parrot thing over here, we didn't know what it was. It kind of looked like some kind of a tray, but when you flipped it on its back, it didn't sit level. I had no idea what this was for. But somebody wanted it bad. This lady really bid that up. Here was a nice piece. Roll top desk that we weren't looking for, but if I had a warehouse or something, I would have probably bid on that. I think it went cheap. Like this, you know, I found some sellable toys, but they were dirty and broken. And box of junk. Nothing in there that was quality. Hardware. I've tried to sell hubcaps before with very little success, so I don't mess with hubcaps much. I do like my vintage electronics though. Shut up, Cujo. Don't lose your head, lady. Ooh.
They rented that last week for that place up there in Fenimore.
Yeah, but it's one eye, half price.
Yeah. All right. Five.
Just winking at you.
$5. $5 on that one. Five didn't wear. Five little bit, no five of the angel right there. 5, 3,
Winking
got
at
3, 4. $4. $3, 30,
30, whoops, 6.
We did
36.
so good on that last Christmas stuff.
This guy's an auction ninja.
We're probably keeping this. Let's not lie to ourselves. my new chair. I did test it. It does work
What are you doing?
very well. It holds my girth quite well. I literally bought it because I wanted somewhere to sit at the auction. Shiny brights. So you're sure these are shiny brights, huh?
The fine bite.
What?
Fine bite.
Oh, there you go. This makes...
Ah! Throw that thing away.
Why? We got a Christmas present for your brother now.
I don't know, I just think I'll get it for my brother.
Where the hell's she going?
The bathroom.
Bye. Oh, look at this one. Got a bell.
I want to meet.
Mess of sewing stuff and yarn. Some old scissors. Forged Steel USA. One doesn't say nothing. She doesn't even know where she's going. It's brand new. Ooh. That makes me so happy. This makes it all worthwhile. I don't know what this is for. I actually bought this flat because we need this for our basement door. Country Hamlet Deluxe Key Rack. A deluxe key rack. This ain't one of those cheap entry-level key racks. It's deluxe. Maybe it warms the keys for you. I need shoestrings. This cabinet we got for our bedroom, we're gonna put our books in it. We just like the vintage look of it. What's that say? Sheltonware? Amber glass piece. We like amber glass. There's no names on it, but oh my gosh, Chuck. Random flatware. It's probably all garbage. That's a mirror off a 36 Studebaker. Just kidding, I don't know what it's for. Yeah, this is crap. It's all crap. Wellington swords, knives. That sucker's kind of heavy. Got the full tang. Dang, that does feel like a sword. Back off, I'm cooking supper. Old hickory. Chulas. Well, that's a Wellington sword too. Oh, this is fancy. Cool. You enjoying those Rice Krispie treats, Marce? Mm-hmm. Good, good. This went to that other set that somebody else bought.
Oh, no.
Mm-hmm. This must have a purpose. Like, it looks like it holds something.
Toothpicks.
It's a toothpick holder.
That would be my best guess. Where does that country western from?
It's 8 tracks. It's a 6-pack of 8-track stereo tapes. I knew I wasn't going to leave this auction without some 8 tracks. We got some George Jones and Tammy Wynette, Merle Haggard, Loretta Lynn, Johnny Cash. Ooh. What's this one? And the Country Shindig in the Barn.
All the heavy hitters.
I wonder if I should sell that as a 6-pack in this box.
I would.
Might have to do some testing. I have an 8-track player. I'm cool like that.
You got your cake pans.
Ooh, cake pans. Oh yeah, I forgot about those. Bake King cake pans. This piece, we're not sure what this piece is for. Somebody that's familiar with baking can tell us what this piece is for, maybe.
Lissa.
What?
Lissa would know.
Lissa, Noelle would probably know. I bet we got a lot of people in our community that would know what that is.
Oh.
Not me.
I don't know what that is. That was the first thing you bought.
Oh, the first thing I bought. I almost forgot. General Electric Emergency CB. It's got an antenna. We might have to test this, like, right meow. Love for sale. So let's put the antenna up here. Up on the roof. It's magnetic. Love for sale. Ooh, I heard something. There we go. Well, it powers on. Testing my equipment. Can anyone hear me? Upon further review, I'm going to review it further. Bit of a dud. Spent 40 bucks mostly on our own crap. Well, I mean, stuff for us to keep. I'll show you the comp collage.
But how much is it worth?
Hungry. Oops, sorry for the glare. I'm really hungry, and I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Love you guys. Bye. Anyway, dang it. I quit. No. Just no. I may have made a wrong choice today as far as auctions. Anyway. I said anyway. I said anyway. Ooh, Marcie's got a Rice Krispie treat. I wonder if she brought me one.